Forget your assumptions about rice. This is the true Caldero del Mar Menor. This food was born in the working fishing harbors of Cabo de Palos. It was crafted right on these very docks by seafaring men who knew the coast. We don't rely on a massive list of elements. We select just a few simple items, then draw out their absolute maximum flavor profile. We cook directly on the coastal rocks. First, the garlic and ñoras. Sear in the oil until they develop a glossy, deep mahogany tint. This is our sofrito. We let the tomato reduce completely until it forms a dense, dark base. Now, the concentrated rockfish broth enters. It must boil intensely, filling the air with the aroma of the sea. The rice is introduced at the very end. It acts exactly like a sponge, absorbing that intense fish essence until every grain is transformed into pure gold. We serve it the traditional coastal way, the fresh fish on a separate platter, and the golden rice standing entirely on its own.